Get out of the car. Keep your hands where we can see them. Stand back!
You get an Henri senior citizen who barricades inside of the vehicle, refuses all commands from the officer on a traffic stop. I can guarantee you a broken window, a fight, and a tasing, and that person's going to jail. This is one of those.
Good evening. What's up? Hi, I'm Officer Graham with the Stanford Police Department. Can I see your driver's license and proof of insurance, please? For what? Yeah. Because you're being stopped right now. What? You didn't use the turn signal, okay?
I mentioned the passenger side approach very often. Take a look at how much you can see in the entire compartment from this passenger side. And if they have a firearm, a lot of times it's on that right side. But look at how much the vehicle is illuminated. Although I don't like the officer's positioning so much, I would be back just a tad bit more, but I appreciate this side approach.
Can I see your driver's license? You did not use a turn signal. Can I see your driver's license and proof? Back here when you turned off of Oliver. No, you turned off of Oliver on a Haskell, so I need your driver's license and proof of insurance.
I turned on the Oliver to Haskell.
This is Oliver, this is Haskell Street.
Not a turn.
Yes, it is. I need your driver's license and proof of insurance. I need your driver's license and proof of insurance. I need your driver's license and proof of... I'm not going to argue with you.
No, you going to call your chief?
No, I'm not. You're going to... Okay, step out of the car, both of y'all. Hop out. 34, 33. Can you 25 me?
My door without my permission.
So the smoking, the slurred speech and stuff like that, on those kind of night stops, I would think that there might be drinking. And I see this little cup and I would make sure that after I checked, I would check to make sure there was no booze inside that cup. But I'm leaning towards that there may be some booze involved in his behavior.
Either get out of the car or you're going to get charged for interference.
You call the chief.
One.
Take me to jail. How much so I can sue your ass?
Okay, get out of the car.
You don't even know the law, man.
I do know the law. Do you realize that there's case law on this? You have to step out of the vehicle if I tell you for any reason.
You ain't got to step out of no vehicle because you tell me.
Okay, then I'm going to drag you out.
Then come drag me out.
Okay. If you insist. Hop out of the car.
Nah, I'm on
Ricky, come on. All right, hop out, man.
You fussing with me? I ain't did that.
Hop out of the car, because I'm telling both of y'all to get out. I'm going to start breaking windows, man. He's failing to identify me. He's been stopped. Hop out of the car. Ricky, I know. Don't do anything. Don't interfere. Just hop out of the car. I've already told both of you. Nothing. I'm telling you to get out of the car. Okay.
Pennsylvania versus Mims, Supreme Court case, the police can ask the driver to step out of the car. Maryland versus Wilson, Supreme Court case, the police can ask the passenger to get out of the car. But here's a case that most of you have not probably heard of, Brenlin versus California, which means that once the police stop the car, the passengers are there for the duration of the stop. That means that this person who he's calling Ricky can't just decide to leave and walk away. Take a look at that one when you have some time.
Okay, hold here. 634 dispatch. Be advised, I've got two that aren't wanting to comply. I've asked them to step out of the vehicle. I stopped them for not using the turn signal, turning from Oliver to Haskell. Get my glass right here. The driver won't identify? No.
Something I feel inclined to mention, when a vehicle is like that, and as a sergeant, if my officer's car was like that, it would make me concerned about how the rest of their gear is, because your car is an extension of who you are. Where is his focus right now when you have two unchecked people who are non-compliant inside of the car? He's got to be looking down. I know there's another officer there, but you're still your stop, your responsibility. You should know where your gear is. Really quickly, you should be able to grab it.
We need your driver's license. We need your driver's license.
You don't need my license.
Yes, sir, we do.
What you stop me for?
He's the one on the stop. You need your driver's license. You have to render your driver's license.
No, I don't.
You will be placed under arrest for failure to display if you do not go to jail. You will go to jail for failure to display. We're not arguing with this. Where is your driver's license at? Give us your driver's license. I'm telling you, give us your driver's license. We're gonna break the window. You got 5 seconds.
Hey, you've got 5 seconds to get out or I'm smashing your window.
Either give us your driver's license or your window's gonna get busted. 5 seconds. 5, 4,
I'm gonna smash your window.
3, 2,
1. Get out.
Get out of the car. Out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
I'm telling you now.
Keep your hands where we can see them.
No, you better
keep your hands where we can see them. Keep your hands where we can see them.
Call the mother.
Hey, stand back! Go. Get on the ground now. Put your hands behind your back. Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now. Stop grabbing on me. Stop grabbing on me. Let go of my flashlight. Let go of my flashlight.
Y'all stop, please.
You're a idiot, dude.
No, you going to pay for this. Get my key out here, Ricky. They gonna pay for this.
Damn, man.
I got a witness to this shit. You have no reason to stop me. That's no stop sign. No turn, no nothing. I've been here all my life, boy.
You all right? Yeah, Ricky, shut the hell up.
I'm gonna go over some of this stuff because there is a lot to learn, and I'm gonna be critical of the officers. Now, I am not absolving the driver from being very disrespectful, very non-compliant, and he deserves to be in handcuffs. But I wanna talk about the tactics of the officers. We see the officer here standing right at the car, putting on his gloves and not looking at the subject. We see the backup officer with his left arm, his support hand, on the driver side mirror. How can we explain our position that we thought that this guy was a serious threat when we're putting on gloves, looking down at them, standing at the window, and we're in this nonchalant position? The next thing is I'm seeing gun hands completely occupied, because if you have to go to force, I can guarantee you that you are not going to be able to react faster than they go gun on you. Next thing that I see that is incredibly challenging is the countdown. On 1, does he decide to go to gun on 1 while you're going to busting the window on 1? You only person that should know when you're going to breach, in my opinion, is your partner. Okay, good. If at 1 is when the cop is going to breach, then I'm going to go to gun. In my opinion, that is not the most tactically sound way to address this situation. The next thing, from this angle, we can see that the taser is the choice of the backup officer in this struggle. Once the taser here is deployed, we see the suspect is still fighting through it, and people wonder, why can he still fight through it? What happened here is that there were 2 barbs. Either one didn't hit or they both hit, and it hurt, but he's fighting because I know that you can fight through that pain. And what happened here is there was no NMI, neuromuscular incapacitation, so he was still able to struggle. But then let's look at this fight. Look at where the one officer is with his back to the driver's side window. If this passenger, who has still not been checked or secured, decides to engage the officers, let's say it was even with just punches, the whole back of this officer's head is exposed. Was there a better way to potentially address this? I provide this information because I hope that someone can potentially learn from it. And if you just watch it for educational entertainment, then you can at least understand why certain things occurred.
I've been here all my life. I know. That is not a turn. So what's the traffic stop for? There's no reason to stop.
I already let you know why.
You ain't got no reason to stop me. I'm gonna show you.
You can think that if you want to.
You think somebody don't know nothing about the law?
You can think that if you want to.
But I don't think it. I know it. I don't have to think it. I've been to court before, son.
We heard the battery on the PO charge. We saw the guy actually go at the officer inside of the video. The interfering charges, which they mentioned as well. And then they had the initial traffic charge. But let's talk about something else. From the officer's perspective, they're stuck on this call for quite some time. This is not an easy call to just to clear off of on what was initially a traffic stop, that this guy caused the issue, not the officers. This guy did. My constructive criticism is not to say that anyone is bad on either side. I'm talking about the behavior and how you can adjust for the police to do it better and for people to be better citizens when interacting with the police. If you like this kind of content and you want to learn the granular aspects of these things that you watch on these police body cams, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with someone who you think might make this kind of mistake, because hopefully they don't after watching the video, and click on the video that's on your screen if you like content like this.